Pating Reviews presents Moosoo Air Fryer 12.7 quart oven 8-in-1. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get the best possible price. Taking the air frying experience to a new level. We were not sure initially about air frying for general cooking, but after just 1 week of experimenting with it, along with videos on YouTube and an excellent 100 recipe book that came with it, we are very satisfied and glad we can still cook a variety of foods and use very little oil in the process. So what do we have here? Zero. The most surprising thing was how quiet it is. 1, its capacity. It's good for small or large meals. 2, a complete array of accessories for almost any imaginable need. 3, easy to clean and seems of high quality. Number 4, smart design, easy access to cooking space. Number 5, clear instructions and simple digital control panel. Dimensions 13 by 13 by 16 inches. The inside compartment is roughly 10 inches wide by 9 inches deep by 7 inches in height. Specs 120 volt, 1700 watts, weighs 19.6 pounds, which is 8.9 kilograms, 3 feet long power cord. Overall, I definitely recommend that you get this air fryer because it's amazing and it has a great value. Here's a bit more information about this air fryer. 8-in-1 appliance and digital LED touchscreen. Air fryer cooking appliance of 8 selectable preset menus with digital LED touchscreen instead of button pushing choose. This air fryer oven is easier to operate. Smart one-touch program also helps your cooking more convenient. High quality and quick heating. High quality air oven with glass oven door and stainless steel interior. 1700 watt large power and highly sealed space give you a fast heating with wide temperature range from 176 Fahrenheit to 400 Fahrenheit. This air oven is perfect for air frying, baking, grilling, and roasting. 360-degree air circulation and less oil technology. This hot air fryer oven adopts a new technology of cooking meats by 360-degree hot rapid air circulation, which reduces 95% less oil and fat than traditional oil deep frying. Electric hot air fryer oven offers your meals oilless and healthy, crispy, and tasty. Moosoo air fryer has more accessories than others. 2 mesh racks, 10 skewers, 1 rotisserie basket, 1 drip tray that catches oil, 1 rotisserie shaft to jab into the chicken or roast, 1 removal tool, 1 food clip, and mini silicone mitts. Also, the 12.7 quart of cooking space makes the air fryer countertop oven have large capacity to cook different meals. ETL approved air fryer total size is 335 by 350 by 400 millimeters, which is 13.9 inches length by 13.7 inch width by 15.75 height. Moosoo MA30 air fryer with overheat protection and automatic shutoff gives you security protection. Superior 7 by 24 hour after sales service gives you safe and simple air frying experience, ideal for your family and friends. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.